It was a rainy Thursday morning in Chicago. The city was gray. Cars splashed through puddles. People rushed past each other without saying a word. Inside a small neighborhood coffee shop, 23-year-old Mia sat alone at a corner table. She held a warm cup of coffee in her hands, but her heart felt cold. Mia had just received a rejection email, her third one this week. She had applied for jobs, internships, even part-time gigs, but nothing. She was tired, broke, and unsure of her future. She stared out the window, watching the rain fall. In that moment, she felt invisible. The bell above the door jingled. An elderly woman entered, soaking wet but smiling. She ordered a tea and sat at the table next to Mia's. The woman looked around, then noticed Mia. "Tough day?" she asked gently. Mia hesitated, then nodded. "Yeah, just one of those days." The woman smiled warmly. "They pass, you know, just like this rain." Mia didn't know what to say, so she just smiled back. After a few quiet minutes, the woman stood up and prepared to leave. She turned to Mia and said, "You have kind eyes. Don't let the world make you forget that." She placed her empty cup in the trash, waved goodbye, and walked into the rain. Mia looked down at the woman's table and saw something, a folded napkin left behind. She picked it up and unfolded it. Inside was a short handwritten note. "You matter, you are seen. Keep going. The world needs your light." Mia stared at the note, stunned. Tears welled in her eyes, but they weren't from sadness anymore. She smiled. That day, she went home and rewrote her resume. The next morning, she applied to 5 more jobs. 1 week later, she received a call. A company wanted to interview her, and 2 weeks after that, she started her first job as a graphic designer. She still keeps the napkin in her wallet, a reminder that one kind word, one small moment, can change someone's life.